Sorry for the interference, because of technical problem it has cut. Okay, this video has been cut. Now I am going to continue in this part. Okay, no problem. See here, what we are discussing about the digestion of the food in our body. It takes its own time depending upon the materials you are going to use. If it is oil items you are consumed, then what happens? It will take more time to digest. Understood? So that because the bacteria has to degrade or decompose the what you call the food items which are present in our stomach, then energy required is very very high. So that is why, see, to convert that into energy, you are getting some drowsiness. ಈ ಪೂರಿ, ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತಿಂದರೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀ ಬೇಗ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊಸರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೊಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇರ್ತವೆ. See, these things are conversion from one form to other form, because these are called ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಇಡ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 hour 2 hours ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್, ಒಂಥರ ರೈಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅದು ಇಡ್ಲಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿರಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟು, ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ, ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Got it? Now similar to this decomposition of organic matter in the sewer line, because it has to travel many distance, that means it may be kilometers together. Now in Belgaum, the starting point, suppose you take where it is starting from the what you call the city will starts from, suppose in third gate, afterwards KLE college and GIT, and then third gate we are going to get what you call university road, that is one is Kanapura road, another is towards university. If you take that area starting point, if assume that starting point, from that to Vidhan Soda, see that disposal point is Ballarinala in Belgaum city, right? See that it has to travel and it has to cross so many area, crossroads, zigzag. Okay, the laying of sewers are like this. Now during this flow, because it is under closed system, there is no chance of what you call escaping these gases which are produced inside, H2S or bad odors, carbon dioxide or anything. Okay, because while moving itself, it is a water carrier system. See, this is going to digest. That during digestion process, the aerobic or anaerobic process will be taking place. The byproducts, the gases which are producing, you have to provide the ventilation. The importance or significance of ventilation. See here, you can see ventilation of sewers. Why it is required? What is the significance? They will ask the question on this. These are all short notes. See, observe here, for any syllabus, we are making into two parts. One part is this one, another part is this one. Only one paragraph irtade. This paragraph indicates, because they will ask two questions in each module. Two main questions will be asked. Either you have to answer first question or the second, or anta choice irtade. See, that is why this portion is one full question, this portion will be one full question. Usually, generally, all professors will consider like this only, because this is one full question. This is also very easy. Here, it is full of what actually? Theory. Okay. Now, the ventilation of sewers are over. This is item number 5 it is. I have made into just parts. Okay. Next, finally, the basic principles of house drainage. What are the principles? ನೋಡಿ, ಹೌಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ದ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ or any layout, any new layout, anything, the drainage is a must. Remember it, input is water supply, output is wastewater. This subject deals with your municipal wastewater engineering. Try to understand. This is your lifetime. It will give, okay, bread and butter to you. Wherever you go today, the water and wastewater is very important. If you are becoming an expert, these are the basic knowledge. Otherwise, building ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. Otherwise, nobody will come for service. Okay, right. These are the totally what you call, I made into totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, total number of 6 parts. This today I am going to give all the information about this one and along with the notes also. Please be, it is very easy theory. Those who don't want the what you call the design concerned, this is full of theory only figures. You can write full okay, very easily without any problem. Got it? See, now I will continue. Again I am going to go to this part. This is module number 1. As per our what you call the plan, as per our, this is called what you call lesson plan anta karitare. Lesson plan means what are the topics to be covered under this module number 1 is called a lesson plan. Okay, now here shapes of sewers. See, observe here, materials of sewer, shapes of sewers, and pipes, that is called a drainage system. Okay, and then laying of sewers, testing of sewers, ventilation of sewers, and basic principles of house drainage. Same I have made into this type of topics. Now let us start with one by one. All these topics I have made into like this. See, notes on sewer appurtenances. This is called sewer appurtenances. Here, number 1 is materials of sewers. Okay, shapes of sewers, laying of sewers, testing of sewers. See, the question will be asking like this only. Remember it. It is very, very important. If you are not taking seriously, because many of the people are not yet submitted your assignment. Already today is 30th. I have given 10 days before the assignment. If you are not submitting, I know what to do. No problem. Even what you call attendance is also seriously will be considered. See, they are reducing marks. You can copy, paste, anything you can do online. No problem. I am having all the information about you people. Please see that very seriously I am telling. See, the attendance. See, remember it. The class when I am going to upload on 5-10 minutes, no problem. See, after I will give 1 hour time after the class. That means 1 hour after the class. That means 4 to 5 daily I am having that classes. Okay. See, up to 5:30 I will wait. Remember it. See, so that you have to see that video. Compulsory you have to see the video. We are getting all the information, whether when you are stopped your video, when you are seen the video, when I have sent, including timings, I am having all the details. All the staff members are watching you. See, daily you are having only 4 classes. You can't able to concentrate means what is the use? Waste bodies ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ರಿ. 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಎನಫ್. ಏನು ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ರೀ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಆಟ ಮಾಡೋಕೊಂದು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೇನ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್. ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ VTO ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತು ರಿಸಲ್ಟು. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಔಟ್. ನಾವು ಯು ನೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ದಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? 4th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ತೊಗೋತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ the sewer appurtenances topic. See, I have covered all these 6, and these 6 I am going to explain one by one along with the notes. Okay, let us start with those things. I will show you. Wait for a minute. Yes, let us start with one by one. See, this is the first one is materials of sewers. Okay, I am telling today the full of this topic only. Okay, I have stopped for temporarily. That is the second unit. ಏನಿದು ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್. Got it? See, now today I am going to complete this portion. Please be careful and note down this separately in separate notes. Make your own notes. See, we are giving from the books, okay, and I can explain many times. This video is with you only. Anytime you can listen along with your notes so that you can understand very easily. Don't waste your time, precious time. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಓರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವರ್ಸ್. The types of sewers means what are the materials of sewers to be used. ನೋಡಿ, materials used for the sewers are classified into, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, this is number 1 is ಸ್ಟೋನ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ SW ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಲೇ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಪೈಪ್, ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪೈಪ್, ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಪೈಪ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ AC ಪೈಪ್, asbestos cement pipes ಅಂತೆ. Okay, now these 5 types, okay, these materials, they are given completely one by one. This is stone wall pipes, next one is concrete pipes, plastic pipes, like this. What are the advantages and disadvantages of each pipes if you are used, and when we have to use? Okay, here observe here how to select a pipe material. This is called factors to be considered for selecting a type of sewer. Observe here, it is based on the ground or soil property, or what you call the water table is very high, then which one is required. See, ನೋಡಿ, ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಸಿಗೆಗಾಲ, ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಂಟರ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 seasons. In winter we cannot use thin shirts or anything, we have to use sweaters ಅಲ್ಲ, ನವಂಬರ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ. See, in what you call summer season, you have to use only cotton type. See, that is a comfortness. Like this, depending upon the considered selection of sewers, how to select these types of things which are available in the market. Okay, see, this is a type of sewers. Next one is, I will show you another one. Okay, here see advantages, disadvantages, and cast iron sewers, cement concrete pipes, advantages, disadvantages, so many things they are given so beautifully. Now I am going to be shapes of sewers, because it is theoretical part. Just to go through once, you will get all the information, these advantages and disadvantages. Okay, for all the type of materials used for sewers, when to use, how to use. See, these are compulsory question for 10 marks. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, for 10 marks, because any 2 short notes also they may ask, direct question also they may ask. Okay, this topic is very very important. I was told you on that day, this is theoretical part, I will give you afterwards ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. Now today is this one. Okay, next number 2 is the shapes of sewers. ಈ ಶೇಪ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? See, one is a circular, another is a non-circular section. Understood? The based on the requirement, ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಶರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರದ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಇರಲ್ಲ. See, that is different from different person to person and your likings. Like this, the shapes will be considered with respect to field conditions and type of flow and the nature of grounds. Ground ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಘಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. If you go to where Mangalore area, it is full of ghat section only. See, that is a straight what you call roads never be available. Even houses also, here on ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮನೆಗಳು ಇರ್ತದೆ ರೀ, ಅದು ಗುಡ್ಡಗಾಡು ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. See, there the pipelines carrying is very difficult, and number of turnings are so many. Then sewer appurtenances are very very important. That is appurtenances ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, structures, how the structures are coming and where it is to be fit. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮೊ ಇನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಸೀವರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈನೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸಿ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವರ್ಸ್. Because if you go on explaining so many things, you will become what you call understanding so many things. Okay, 9. See, this is circular section means ಏನು. Non-circular ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ? Non-circular means other than circular. It will be having different shapes. Okay, this is circular. What is the advantage of circular sewers and what is the disadvantages of those things? And a non-circular section, when I have to provide. See, and what are the different shapes? See, these are the what you call the non-circular sections are like this. See, that is one by one they are given. This is actually basket handle section. See, this is number 1. Like this, one by one along with the line diagram plus explanation and size of the sewers when you have to provide. See, this is basket handle type of a sewer. Okay, when it is required. See, then other shapes. This is egg shaped, like this oval shape. Okay, see, this is a concrete, is a bed. Because the gradient, whatever the designed gradient, you have to be maintained. That is why this concrete bed is very very important. Excavation ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, excavation means size, width of the excavation, depth of the excavation is also very very important. It should be little more than your sewer diameter. And also depending upon the area, see, vehicles ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ you have to go deeper. you cannot provide the pipelines near to the ground level. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಒಳಗೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ರೇಕೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್. there is a lot of problems because the sewage should give service for at least minimum 10 to 20 years. Otherwise you have to be change every time the pipelines, because very costly process and very tedious process, because you have to block that complete area. Now you are observing in entire smart city, okay, many areas are blocked because of drainage systems, because the drainage is a permanent structure. It is not visible to the naked eyes because it is below the ground level. See, these things very very important and very easy subject. Try to understand and go through, don't waste your time. Okay, this is egg shaped section, this is ours show type of section, this is another one type of sections. Like this, all the sections I have given here. Okay, this is what actually parabolic in shape, and then this is semi elliptical section, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಇದು ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೀವರ್ ಶೇಪ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್, but the shape you have to give order and where you have to provide. See, only two lines we are given for each sections, and then you can answer it. Okay, U-shaped, this is U-shaped section, and this is a semicircular section. See, like this, these are the standard. See, around 8 to 10 items are given here. Please remember, and that only double line ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ you will get minimum 2 to 4 marks compulsory. Okay, next third one is laying of sewers. ಆ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್, ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಲೇ. ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ಈಗ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ದ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವ, ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೌ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. The ground itself considered as a drawing sheet. Okay, see, your drawings you have to transfer into that. How to? Because line diagrams you have to draw on the what you call ground, then excavation you have to start. See, according to that excavation the walls are rising. Okay, like this, wherever they depending upon the soil, see, the columns are going to be provided. Okay, otherwise if it is odd strata, then you are going to construct straightly. See, you know the building materials and materials of construction, foundations, soil, so many parameters you know. So with that respect to that, you are already studied those things in other subject. Based on that, see, that experience, because civil engineer is having lot of knowledge about water supply and what you call drainage system, because buildings, any building, water supply is a must. Okay, see, like, right, continue. See, laying of sewers. The laying of sewers means how to lay this one. Okay, that is pipelines, that is a laying of sewers. Under this, what you call, observe here, various steps are to be followed to lay the sewers. Setting out andre no, line diagram, that means a lining, marking is required. Next, what you call B is what? Excavation. Laying means afterwards excavation of trenches. Next, laying of foundation ಆದಮೇಲೆ laying of sewers. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, they are given very neatly. Testing of sewer lines, and then back filling of trenches. What is filling means? You are excavated. Okay, soil is outside. Now all the soil you have to be filled again back, not loosely compacted only. Otherwise again there is a big problem, because vehicles are moving over this, and there is a shrinkage of those things, and problems are arising. ನೋಡಿ, ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಗುಂಡಿ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಂಪ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನು, ಗುಂಡಿ ಬಂದರೂ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಗುಂಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಪಿಟ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೇಬಲ್, okay, otherwise your drainage system or any kind of things which are past electrical pipelines or what you call this telephone pipelines or network concerned, any kind of ducts you are going to provide below the ground, you have to take care of those things. Okay, now here what is setting out, what is excavation of trenches, laying of foundation, how to put the foundation, what is the size of the foundation. The sizes are given. 150 mm means 15 centimeter, half foot. Your scale is 30 centimeter, see, half of that. Okay, this is 150, this width is this much, and this depth is also this much. Okay, because below this and then from here to here, this is 150 centimeter, that means, sorry, mm, that is negative 15 centimeter. This is called bedding. Bedding ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ವೆ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ಟಿ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತಾರೆ ಬೋನಿಂಗ್ ರಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. BONNING. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬೋನಿಂಗ್ ರಾಡ್. ಸಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಂಬಾಬ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಟೆಡ್. This is excavated below the ground level, excavated pit here, and pipeline will be coming here. This is the bottom foundation of concrete bed. You have to provide the what you call slope gradient according to your design. See, and these are the side one, and then we are going to use from here the what you call the plumb bob and the axis of the center line and everything. That is what you call while laying of sewers. So these are to be considered. Okay, just to go through only this much, very simple it is, nothing is there. This is a pit, this is a ground, below ground is the excavation. Okay, now this is a survey, whatever you are learnt from survey work. See, this is called a line of collimation from here to here, and this is one stand and this is another stand. See, we are having a staff on this side and another also this side, and this line you have to mark. And what is the gradient, because it is not leveled inside. See, the ground is steeper, but inside we have to provide a proper slope. That is called gradient. Okay, horizontal how much, vertical how much, those things you have to consider and lay the sewers. It is over. Next, testing of sewer lines. Okay, testing of sewer lines. See, this is the fourth one. The fourth topic is testing. Here, very simple, already excavated. This is one manhole in below the ground level. It is. This is ground level and below this one. See, this is a manhole. Manhole means what? It is an inspection chamber. Okay, the person can enter inside for maintenance and repairs etc. to use this one. This will be usually 15 meters length, one manhole to other manhole it is 15 meters, that is 50 feet. Okay, 30 meter chainage or 30 meter tape is equal to 100 feet. It is like this here also. Every what do you call 15 meters once this manholes. See, here the manhole you have to use for the testing of sewers. This is a water test. See, here this will be filled with completely water, but another end, see, another manhole is there. No, here you have to close. See, if you close this one, water will be coming here. In between this, number of joints are there. This is sewer pipeline, so that we can identify very easily the level it is reducing or not. If level of this water level is reduces, automatically you can identify there is a leakage. Okay, then you have to, before closing this, these are the test. After testing only you can go for the next step, so that it will becomes very easy. Here, observe here, this is the testing of sewers. Seen previously, these are the steps to be followed during a laying of sewers. Here, testing of sewers. Okay, this is a testing of sewer lines. See here, setting out, first one. Second one is excavation, afterwards laying of foundation, next laying of sewers, afterwards testing of sewers, then filling of trenches. Now, during construction you have to do all these things, then only we can give a good service to the sanitary system. Okay, this is the fourth one is testing. See, here air test is also there. This is water test using water. This is air test, means blowing with a what you call high pressure, so that the air blow, because it should not be, when one balloon blow madidre, there is no outlet, only input, inlet is there. Then if there is a leakage, even tire puncture adre, tube puncture adre, see, you can identify very easily like this. The water test and air test, they are going to maintain. Then it is another topic, ventilation of shaft. That is what you call ventilation of sewers. See, this is the main pipeline will be here. From here you have to take the separate cross, that is a cross pipeline. It is a branch pipe. From here, okay, this is from what you call gases from sewer. These gases, you want exhaust, that is why this are going to be provided. See, near to what you call the particular area along the road only we are going to provide. This is a ventilation. Through this shaft the gases will be exhaust. Okay, very simple, and only this is a portion to be maintained. This is very theory, it is only. See, I am going to ask for the what you call internals, that is internal assessment. See, we are going to ask at least a few things from this topic. Okay, please go through very easily it is. Next, last one is item number 6, topic number 6, principles ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಲೇಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಪಹಲೆ what you have to plan properly where drainage system should come. Drainage pipeline should not be visible because it is coming from, for example, apartment is having on 10 stories, all the from top to bottom. See, the pipeline has to give connection one floor to other floors. See, the waste sewage, we are knowing two types of wastewater. One is sewage, another is the sewage. For sewage pipelines are different, sewage pipelines are different. So that you have to carry both the pipelines from top to bottom. Wherever the interconnections are there, you have to give. Like this, layout is very, very important and it should be very simple. Layout of the building drainage must allow quick removal of foul waste matter. This is very, very important. See, that is why your house sanitation means this is a sanitation. Understood? Now here we came to know all this, they are given the points, just to go through. And finally, the drainage what you call arrangements for the building, that is called house drainage system. In your syllabus it is house drainage system. Just only this much. Please go through neatly once again and repeating this video many times along with you. Please, okay, you can become an expert in this. Okay, so that this will complete 100% syllabus. See, remember it, 100% syllabus of from module number 1 I have covered as in today. These notes will be sending you immediately. Okay, thank you one and all. One more announcement for you. See, the assignment, if those who are not giving today, I am going to deduct 2 marks. It is compulsory. There is no reasons at all. If you are having that notes, at least you have to show me. You call me immediately and you have to be submit at any cost. Okay, the links are given. Don't go for nth moment. I don't want any reasons. 10 days time I was given. Notes already, what you call, the classes have commenced from what you call the September 1st or 2nd. Understood? See, ishtu dina classes agide. We are given very good service for you. You have to utilize it. That's all. Okay, thank you one and all.